Guys, we're gonna raise that hoist up on this. So you pull this out. I'll push it back in so you guys can see. So this engages your PTO. And you gotta let it grind just a little bit, and then it'll go right in there. And then you pull this out. And the little bed should come right up. I'm not going to raise that up anymore, guys, so that we don't get into the ground back here on the back. As you can see, you got your 3-stage hoist here. Bottom side of that box looks good, folks. You can see that your back axle is a tag axle. Saddle tank right there. You see you've got your control right there. It's on the saddle tank right now, guys. Folks, they haven't used a lot over the last several years. There's probably some old gas that needs burned out of this thing, just so you guys know. We're gonna hop inside of it here in just a second, take it for a quick little spin, just so you guys can see it here and run. But